Hi. Welcome to Smart Tech. Do not forget to subscribe Smart Tech. All the video of our channel is for educational purpose only. We will install Lazy Script on Kali Linux. This will help you lot. First, go to web browser and open it. Now, search here, Lazy Script. I will give you the link in the description box. Click here. Now, copy the link, or you can direct download the file. I am going to copy the link. Now, minimize the web browser. Open terminal, and follow. Type sudosu, and press enter. Enter your password. Now, change your directory, home, to desktop. Now, clone the file from URL using this command. The file is downloading from GitHub. See, here is the file. Now, go to this file directory. Just follow. Now, you have to install it. Now, I am installing it using this command. Sorry, we have to give the permission for access the file. Follow the video. Now, follow the instruction. Press any key. Press I. Press L. Again, press L. Type yes in capital. You can configure it manually, or you can keep default setting by pressing enter. Now, I am pressing enter 3 times. Press any key. This script successfully installed on Kali Linux. You can see here lot of tools available here. you can run any attacking tools easily and install it. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. Do not forget to subscribe.